Hi YouTube, today I'm going to be doing a quick video presentation on how to replace the cabin air filter on your Honda Fit. To gain access into the cabin air filter, what we're going to need to do is open up the glove box. We're going to squeeze the sides of the glove box in this way so that the rubber bump stops on the side here clear the edge of the glove box. And then once that's done, we can just sort of fold things down and, of course, empty out your glove box if you can. We're going to then open up the access cover right here by pulling on this tab, and then conversely on this side push it on this tab to pull our cabin air filter out like so. So you can see here our cabin air filter is not too bad actually. It's dirty, but it's not completely blocked up like some I've seen. So then what we're going to do is we just use our fingers and push the air filter out, paying attention to the orientation of how it was installed. So you see here it says airflow, and as the arrow is pointing down, meaning, and you can even confirm that the airflow, if you can see that in the light, says right here, pointing through top to bottom. So this is the replacement cabin filter, part number 80291-SAA-306. This is the genuine Honda cabin air filter for the first generation Honda Fit. Now before we reinstall the filter, we want to make sure that we note the orientation of the new filter and making sure that the airflow direction matches up with what the air filter frame says. We're just going to take the air cleaner and we're just going to drop it into the frame, making sure that this little plastic lip here goes into at least the first pleat so that we have a nice seal like that. So you shouldn't see, or you should see this frame lip in the first pleat. And conversely in the back, we do the same. So to reinstall, we just simply reinsert and press firmly until everything snaps back into place. Conversely, our glove box will flip back up, where we can then go ahead and press the sides in again firmly to make it lock back into place like so.